We have this question: solve for x and y in the equations root x plus y is equal to 11, x plus root y is equal to 7. This question looks complex, but I'm going to show you how you can solve it step by step. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to choose variables to represent root x and root y respectively. I'm going to choose a. So let a represent root x and let b represent root y. So now I can now rewrite the equations using a and b. This root x in the first equation is our a, plus y is b squared, because the square root of y is b. So to get y, we multiply the square root of y by itself. So a plus b squared is equal to 11. Let's call this equation 1. Now, x is a squared. Remember, a represents the square root of x. So a squared will now be x, plus root y is b. Everything is equal to 7. That is our equation 2. Now, I can see a squared here and I have b squared. If I subtract equation 2 from equation 1, I'm going to arrive at a difference of 2 squares. So let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Simplify the problem. So equation 1, we have a plus b squared minus equation 2, a squared plus b, to be equal to equation 1, 11 minus 7. Now, removing the bracket so that we can simplify further, a plus b squared minus a squared minus b is equal to 4. Now, you can see b squared minus a squared, difference of 2 squares. So b squared minus a squared plus a minus b is equal to 4. But we know that b squared minus a squared will be b minus a, then b plus a, difference of 2 squared. So this is going to be replaced by this. So I have b minus a, then b plus a minus plus a minus b, everything is equal to 4. Now, how do I continue? To continue, what I have here is b minus a, and here is a minus b. I'm going to rearrange this other side so that it looks like this. So I have b minus a, b plus a minus b plus a is equal to 4. I only swapped the places of b and a. So b minus a, b plus a minus, open a bracket. The minus in front of b goes away. This plus changes to minus because minus times plus is minus. So a is equal to, for the essence of doing this is to make them have the same terms. So now they are equal. So we can now factorize b minus a. I have b plus a minus b minus a divided by b minus a is 1. So that gives us 4. That gives us 4. Now, the term here multiplies the term here to give us this. It means these two terms are factors of 4. Why? Because they multiply each other to get 4. Now, what are the factors of 4? We have 1 and 4, and we have 2 and 2. Now, we're going to be checking these factors and trying to see if they fit perfectly into the equation. So b minus a, taking 1, then b plus a minus 1, taking 4. You know, when you add something, the answer, when you add two terms, the answer must be greater than the difference. That's why I chose 1 as the difference and 4 as the sum. So the next thing we're going to do is to try to eliminate one of the terms so that I can get the other one. In this case, we can eliminate a so that we can get b. To eliminate a, we add the two terms. B plus b is 2b. A disappear because minus a plus a is 0. So 1 plus 4, 5. We now move this one to the other side, plus 1. So 2b is equal to 6. So b is equal to b is equal to 6 over 2, which gives us 3. And b minus a is equal to 1. So 3 minus a is equal to 1. So minus a is equal to 1 minus 3. So minus a is equal to minus 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2. So I've gotten a to be equal to 2 and b to be equal to what? 3. Don't forget, don't forget, from the beginning we said a represents root x and b represents root y. And the question asked us to look for the values of x and y. So now I need to get the values of x and y. The values of x and y. So a is equal to root x. Therefore, x is now a squared. So x is now, what's our a? Our a is 2 squared. So 4 is equal to a. Then b is equal to root y. So y is now b squared. So y will now be 3 squared, which is 9. So I've gotten 4 and 9 as the values of x and y respectively. Let's go to the original to see if those two values are correct. Remember, my a is 4 and my b is equal to 9. So let's check this first equation. Root x, root 4 is 2 plus y. Y is 9. 2 plus 9, 11. So it means we have solved the problem. You can see check the second equation. X is 9. X is 4. X is 4 plus root y, 3. That will give us 7. So we have solved the problem. So if you find this solution helpful, I will enjoy you to like, subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post this kind of content, you will not miss out. Thank you.